Today, we will show you how to make the shiniest nails with using films. Without flash, it will shine like a sand under the sun. And it will shines like a diamond under the flashlights. As always, apply nano-based gel first to protect your nails. Now, we will apply neon on-off gel as base colors. It will look even much better if you apply with other colors together. Now, we will use this to make the perfect mirror nails. Cut the edge of the ice patch into a square shape. And as always, it will look much better if you use other colors together. Cut it into a small square again. Now apply crystal parts gel on nails. Stick the ice patch on nails. If you use other colors together, you can make even prettier art. After sticking all the ice patches, we will fill the empty spaces with glass parts gel. Fill in the empty areas with glass parts gel. After filling in all the empty spaces, make sure to apply glass parts gel all over the nails once more. It's very important to cover whole nails with glass parts gel. Your nails won't get caught in your hair or clothes by doing this. Now, apply Star Top Gel to finish. Now, you have the shiniest nails in the world. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and follow us. Thank you. And love you all.